Debt can feel like a heavy chain, dragging you down no matter how hard you try to move forward. I remember the sleepless nights, the endless bills, and the constant pressure of owing more than I could handle. But let me tell you this, escaping debt isn't just possible, it's a journey that transforms your entire life. In this video, I'll share with you the exact 5 steps I used to break free from debt and finally taste the freedom I never thought I could have. Step 1. Face the numbers honestly. The very first step to freedom was the hardest. I had to face the truth. For years, I avoided looking at the total amount I owed because it terrified me. But denial only makes debt grow bigger. So, I sat down with a notebook, wrote out every single loan, every credit card balance, every penny I owed, and added it all up. It wasn't pretty, but it was real. Once I knew the total, I could finally stop running from the problem and start planning a way out. Step 2. Create a survival budget. Next, I built what I like to call my survival budget. This wasn't about living lavishly or even comfortably, it was about cutting down to the basics so I could throw every extra dollar at my debt. I separated my needs from my wants. Needs were rent, groceries, transportation, and utilities. Wants were dining out, new clothes, and subscriptions I didn't truly need. By trimming my lifestyle down, I discovered hidden money I never knew I had. That money became my weapon against debt. Step 3. Choose a debt attack method. Then came the strategy. I had to decide how to actually tackle my debt. There are 2 main methods. The snowball method, where you pay off your smallest debts first to build momentum. And the avalanche method, where you attack the debts with the highest interest to save the most money in the long run. Personally, I chose the snowball. Every time I crossed out a debt, no matter how small, it felt like a victory. That little rush of progress pushed me to keep going, and soon, the bigger debts didn't seem so impossible anymore. Step 4. Increase income and throw extra at debt. Cutting expenses wasn't enough. I needed to increase my income. I picked up side hustles, worked extra shifts, and sold things I no longer used. Every extra dollar went straight toward my debt. I didn't spend it, I didn't save it for later, I attacked debt with it. Think of it like throwing buckets of water on a fire. You don't wait, you act immediately. The faster I paid down debt, the less interest it could collect. And that speed made all the difference. Step 5. Build discipline and stay consistent. Finally, the most important step was discipline. Debt freedom doesn't happen overnight. It took me months of saying no to things I wanted, months of working harder than ever before, and months of reminding myself why I started. But slowly the balances went down. Slowly the stress lifted. And one day, I logged into my account and saw something I had been dreaming of for years, a zero balance. That was the day I planted my flag on the mountain and claimed my freedom. If you're in debt right now, I want you to know this. You can do it too. Face your numbers, build your survival budget, pick a strategy, hustle harder, and above all, stay consistent. Freedom is waiting for you on the other side, and the journey you take to get there will make you stronger than ever. Start today and your future self will thank you. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more powerful financial tips, and share this with someone who needs a little hope on their debt-free journey. Together, we can spread financial freedom one step at a time.